Here, while I enjoyed the view, James unveiled his sleeping accommodation, a mountaineering tent he could suspend from his crane.
So I'm going to rest it against the front of the cab. So all these bitey ants, they don't get in your tent and eat you.
It may have been insect-proof, but soundproof? No.
I want to go to bed, but I can't with that racket going on. Listen to it.
The next morning, I discovered that Hammond was back.
So that's just a sprain?
Yeah, not bust. Nothing exciting.
So you can check, what is it you have
Yeah,
to
be
do?
fine.
Oh, isn't it steering?
Yeah, be all right.
You just have to...
Yeah, still do that.
Right. And how was sleeping in your lorry?
Not bad. What about yours?
Oh, I know.
Where did James sleep in the end? What's he done?
Oh, he's got some stupid high-tech mountaineering tent he's hung from his crane.
Why is it up there?
Well, you know he's snoring
Yeah.
quite loud, so I moved him a bit further away.
Jesus! Clarkson!
What?
Funny. Very funny.
Yes,
I don't like heights. I don't like camping.
I don't like snoring.
Anyway, shall we get on?